Alright, so we got the graph of a function. Now, this was always confusing to me, even in high school, even teaching it for like 15 years or whatever. But it's just real quick to understand that a function is the same thing as which we've always been learning in algebra is like y equals x. So right here we have x equals y. That's your standard function, right? That's how it's always written. It's a little bit more complicated, right? We might have x plus 10 over here or something. But when you get to this level, you need to learn that, you know, we're talking about graphing as a function of x, right? So that's why they write x equals f of x, because you should be able to see here that if x equals y and x equals f of x, then what? Well, then f of x equals y. Sorry, if x equals y and x equals f of x, then f of x has to equal y. That's the computer trying to make circles out of my not circles. Oh, now that it's just impossible to write over. Thanks. F of x equals y. All right, so then we would come over here. So knowing all that, we could write it as f of x equals x, and it looks just like an equation. And then let's say we have these numbers: x equals 0, then the f of x is 1. We got 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. What we need to pull out of this is that we're still using ordered pairs. And let's see, review. We can quickly create an equation here, right? Because first of all, we know we're going to deal with x, so let's just write x there. And if we look at this, what's this increasing by? 1, right? What's this increasing by? 1. What's this increasing by? 1. Same thing. What's this increasing by? 1, 1, 1. And since we're so clever, if y is changing by 1 and x is changing by 1, that's a slope of 1, right? So we put a little invisible 1 here if we wanted to. And now what does this tell us right here? At x equals 0, f of x equals 1. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it tells us that the the y-intercept is at plus 1, because if we have a 0 here, 0 plus 1 is 1. Alright, that's a quick intro, a quick definition, some stuff there to help you understand it. If you need more help, comment, let me know. Tell me what you need. I'll make a video for you. Have a good day.